Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix your Instagram account was composed on Instagram. For that, when to go to Instagram account, here when to click on profile. After clicking profile, when to click on three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. After that, when to click on account center, and here when to click on profiles. After clicking profiles, here I have the Facebook account, so I was removing it. So here I was clicking on scan. I was clicking on stop scanning, and here I was clicking remove account from this. I was tapping on profile, and here I have a Facebook, and here I was tapping on that, and here I was also after scanning of them, and here I was clicking on another account, and here also I was started scanning of this, and here again we need to come back and go to scroll down. So here we have the account status. Click on that, and here we need to click on website permissions and tap on apps and websites. So here we have no one, so like this we need to fix account was composed on Instagram. Thank you.